Welcome to a non-existent and origami. Today I'm gonna do this thing. The origami hideo tomatsu, bodybuilder by origami hideo tomatsu's lake. Okay, roll the intro. Yep, I'm gonna show how to do it. First, you have to I know this is kind of confusing because it just disappears here, but it's signed that E heart kind of thing. But today, I'm gonna do this. Here, I'm gonna fold this flap here and just remove everything. Just do this, and now open it, open it, and then here is the thing we have to gonna do like this. You have to do this flap and just put it down, and here it will you will look like this, it will look like this. And now here we have this flap. I'm gonna flatten it, and now here this is the confusing part. Here we have to just do this and closing this here. This will lock this in the place. And now I'm gonna first of all, there is a kind of flap. You have to do this too. Here will be kind of opposite things. So what I'm gonna do is just like this here. Okay, what are you going why? And now I'm gonna just separate this flap into opposite ones. Here one flap is done. One flap is done, and then I'm gonna do this, and here it will be like this, kind of this. Yep. And yep, here you have to you will show this, but it can't be this because there is a flap. So we have to just valley fold here, so it will be flat, completely flatten itself. And now you are ready to do this. This will be the final results of the do. It is the accidental one. Don't see this. Yep, I made mistakes sometimes, and yep, I haven't uploaded for a week because my cameraman was super lazy for that. And now I'm gonna end this. Goodbye, guys, fellow origamist beginners who wanna do this. And this is I'm gonna show, this is the last part of Hideo Tomatsu origami bodybuilders. So you have to keep doing everything by your own next time, soon. After this, now we are gonna say goodbye.